Hey, it's Frank from Mann Lake, and I'm here to do the September northeast part of the country beekeeping video. We are coming into the beginning of September. We're almost right there. What's blooming up here? Right now, Japanese knotweed is just opening up. I'm supering up. I haven't got these guys supered up yet. Most of my other apiaries I have. And right after Labor Day, our goldenrod blooms. That gives up the nectar. So where do I want to be this time of year? I've taken care of my mites. I took care of those July and August. I'm good with that. I've also fed them pollen sub and syrup to keep them raising brood so my colonies are strong. I want to get them strong going into winter, and not only strong, but healthy brood, mite-free brood. Taken care of. September, now's the month where they're going to put up that fall honey. We usually get a decent fall honey flow up here, like I said, but I don't leave my supers on till the end of September. I'm going to let my supers on till maybe the 15th or so and start pulling. I want my supers off because there'll still be some goldenrod out there and aster. I want them to fill these boxes for winter. And if they don't, and we get a frost, it kills everything, I've got time to put syrup on these colonies and get them up to weight. This is about the last month I can do that. We get into October, shorter days, cooler days, they can't dry that syrup down to honey consistency. So I want to feed them up through the end of September, get them up to weight. That's all I want to do this month. Get a little bit of honey, feed these bees up, make sure they're in good shape, because the next month we're going to start preparing for winter time. We'll talk about that next month. But this month, like I said, get your honey, pull it middle of the month, get them fed up with syrup, get this colony up to weight. I recommend either Pro Sweet because it's 78% solids. These bees don't have to dry it down so much. If you can't get Pro Sweet and you're going to be using sugar water, mix it as thick as you possibly can. Because like I said, they're on the clock. They've got shorter days, colder days, and it takes them longer to dry that down. We send them into winter with that too high moisture content. They're going to get dysentery over winter. So, don't be greedy with that honey. Pull early. Get your bees ready for winter. You send them in mite-free, enough syrup, and we'll talk about the other part when we get closer next month, maybe to winter, and hopefully you'll have a successful time this winter keeping your bees alive. So do your September thing, and we'll see you in October.